Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my brand new Wolf winder. As you can see here, this parcel is quite large and it's been a bit of a struggle to get it all in frame, but hopefully I've done it. Now let's try and open this package up. I've got to say it's pretty damn well packaged, but then for the money I'd hope it would be. So there's a box within a box here, and I'm going to have to pull this out of frame to get it out of the box because I don't think there's enough room for me to get my hands in fully, so give me a moment and I'll be getting this out of the box. Okay, here we are, the box within the box. So now I'm going to have to cut this one open as well. This should only take a few seconds. Trying to not go too deep in there just in case I do cut into the plastic or whatever's covering the winder. There we go, so let's try and break this open. Wow, even more card. Is this just a cover? That's just a cover, okay. And then we have, I think this is the actual box now. Oh my god, I'm going to have to pull this out of frame again to try and get this box without outside this box. Okay, here we are. Here's the actual box itself. As you can see, the module 2.7 down there. And yeah, it's got a nice sort of shimmer effect on this Wolf design. Try and lift off the lid now. It's even more packaging. This is probably one of the best packaging jobs I've ever seen. We've got a patented design here by Wolf. This is quite nifty. So I guess this is the key to lock my winder, and I've got some little details in here. I think this is just a warranty. Cool, nice to have. Put that one side. In here, what's this? Nice pull tab here. What is it? Dynamic cuff. Oh, I think this is the actual pads that the watch goes onto. Protect your legacy. Yes, here it is. Very nice packaging just for that. I mean, wow. So this is the actual, I believe the actual pad the watch goes onto. Different sizes, I guess, depending on how big your wrist is. Very nice. And then we've got a cover on top of the actual winder. Actually, there's something else down here. This is, what is this? Is this more cables? Is this the... Oh yes, this is the cables, okay. So we have a universal plug socket. It's a bit sticky actually. A bit sticky there. And I guess you can then pick whichever power outlet you need to connect into. And you've got a cable down there. Very nice. I like that way of doing it. Instead of having multiple of these, you just have multiple of these just to slide on and off to. Really nice way. Okay, now I'm going to have to try and get the behemoth out of its box. So I'm going to have to pull this off camera once again to try and get the sheath off this and get it out of this box. Okay, so after taking off this cotton sheet that was covering the winder, we're left with this Wolf covered paper. So it's got the Wolf logo all over it. It's really well folded, to be honest. The detail is ridiculous. I love it. I mean, it's probably some of the best packaging I've ever seen. And their customer service team, let me just say this before getting into this. The customer service team for this winder is absolutely phenomenal. One of the best customer service interactions I've ever had. End of story. Across any genre of any type of merchandise, anything. Amazing team out there. But let's get into this. So, there it is, the winder itself. I need to get this paper. Actually, I can use that as a bit of a backdrop. There it is, covered in leather. And I don't think that will open, will it? No. Oh, no, that is going to open. There we go. That's what's inside. So let me pull that forward a bit so you can see. We have these little holders. Now your watch goes around these, placed inside the storage area. And then I guess you could seal that and then lock it with the key there. So this is just, oh, it's got some silica gel or something. Yep, take that out. Yeah, so you've got 3 storage areas for other watches here. You can then close and seal that. And then, how do you get into the actual winder itself? Do you just push, does it pull down? I think you might have to open this, then you can pull this down. Yes, okay. There we go. So then we can take out the cuff that's in here. That's very stiff to get out. There we go. So you have different sizes, I guess. So this is the small size, and let me try and get the other one out so compare it against. So I guess these just clip on. So here are the two sizes. I guess these just go inside, and maybe this, I think this actually, oh no, the whole thing comes out, okay. So that comes out as well. So you have two different sizes for the different watches, and then this all goes over the top. So it goes like that. You just push it in, and then you have either a small or a large watch. I quite like this sort of size because I don't want my watches too pressed up, but then you put the watch over the top, squeeze it, and then you put it back in. Very nice. I'm going to quickly grab out a watch and try and show you what that looks like. Now this may be a bit of a sneak preview, but this is the Chronos watch. Review will be coming out of this soon. So what I'm going to do is open up the back of this thing and put it onto this cuff. So it should be pretty simple. Just be able to slide it over the top, like so, and then just push in the back. There we go. That's all clicked in now, and all I could do now is just put it in there, wait for it to click in. There we go. We close this up. That's magnetic as well, that's nice, and I can seal it all down and then lock it if I wanted to. Really nice. I'm going to drop the camera down so you can see what it looks like from the front. But yeah, amazing packaging on this. Incredible to say, at least. So this is what it looks like from the front. So first off, you have this pusher here where you push it in. You can release the top and then drop the bottom. And then you can adjust how many turns per day the watch rotates from, or if it's bi-directional, unidirectional. It has a counter here and two pushes to up or lower the amount of turns per day. Really nice to see. And just the design is really modern, really fresh, really nice to see. Then you can just drop it all up, lock it, and then actually I could try out the lock. Let's try it. Now this is just straight up cool. I mean, they give you a little wolf. Let's see if we can focus on that little wolf key ring there to have your key on. So I guess we just put it in here. Such a weird sort of design. Okay, now is that locked now? That's unlocked. Is that now locked? How many times do I have to turn this thing? Okay, now that's locked. I can't open that. So I then put it vertical. Now it isn't locked. So I should be able to open it again. Yep. Yeah, that works well. I love the little key ring. Such a nice little detail. It's like a leatherette or leather keyring. Really nice to see that. I'm really impressed with this overall, I really am. But the price on this thing is expensive, so I sort of understand why the details and all the packaging. So really impressed with this so far. I will obviously let you know how it gets on after a few months of use, but yeah, just initial thoughts, I'm really liking it. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe to the channel, and until next video, goodbye.